Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double crochet. So first we will make a chain. In this tutorial I'm going to make 12 chains in total. When you reach 12 chains in total, we will skip 2 chains from the hook. So yarn over, insert the hook into the third loop, pull it through, and you will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull it through 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it all through. So continue making this until the end of the loop. When you reach at the end of the loop, make 2 chains and then turn your work. So yarn over and we will insert the hook into the same loop as you make the 2 chains. Pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and you will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it all through. So again we will continue making this until the end of the row. When you reach at the end, make 2 chains, turn your work, so yarn over again, insert the hook into the same loop, pull it through. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over and pull it all through. So continue making this until you reach at the end of the row. So this is how double crochet look like in 3 rows. So now to finish, make a slip stitch and cut off the yarn. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.